Hello dear viewers, welcome you all to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Today I'm gonna discuss about some hidden tricks, how you can start spoken English, how you can be successful, how you can be fluent in spoken English. Most of the students and most of the speakers in our country want to speak English fluently, but they don't have the determination that they will be able and they will be successful in speaking English. At the beginning, they want to speak English like the native speaker of America or Britain. But at first, you need to speak English like a baby, or like a student of class 1, 2, 3. If you think that from the very beginning of your speaking English, you will be a fluent speaker, your fluency will be excellent, your phonetics will be perfect. That is impossible for you because English is not our native language. English is not our mother tongue. That's why it will be difficult for us. So, if you want to speak English, first the thing you need to have is the determination. You must need determination if you want to speak English, because determination will help you to do any work correctly and properly, and determination will increase your spirit. It will encourage you to undertake this journey of speaking English. Second one is you need is your vocabulary, because a child cannot speak English, or a child cannot speak any language when it is born. A newborn baby cannot speak English. When a baby is 1 year or 2 year, that baby can speak some words, only some words. But the baby of 1 year or 2 year cannot speak any sentence, because that baby doesn't have much vocabulary in the memory. So if you are the beginning speaker, if you are the new student, if you are a beginner, you must enrich your vocabulary. If English is not your native language, if English is your second language, you must need huge amount of vocabularies, because this is only a language. English is only a language, nothing else. If you think about your mother tongue, you will learn, or you can learn your mother tongue spontaneously. So if you think that English is also a language, but it is not your mother language, and you need to learn this language, and you have the determination, so you will gradually enrich your vocabulary in your memory. And third on you need is to have a partner to speak with. If you don't get the partner, you can search in different online platforms, or Facebook group, or Instagram group, WhatsApp group. You can make friends with the people all over the world, and like the people of Asian countries, or African countries, or Middle East. At first, you will make a group, or if you will search a pair, you will search a couple, or you will search a group where you can share your feelings, where you can start speaking English. First, when you will be determined. Second, you will increase or enrich your vocabulary in your memory. Third on, just you need to a pair, or you need to a friend, or you need to a couple with whom you can start your feelings, or you can share your feelings in English. But if you are unable to make a pair or couple, just stand in front of your glass of your home. Just you will think that the picture on the glass is your friend, or is your couple, or your listener, or your speaker. Just try to speak English with your picture, and it will remove your hesitation. But the couple on your online platform, or your offline platform, must be very effective, rather than the a picture on your glass. So third one is to make a pair with whom you can start speaking English. Fourth on is to start speaking. Start speaking. Some of the people who have huge amount of vocabularies, but they think that they can make mistake. If you think that you can make mistakes before starting your work, your work will never be started. So please don't think that you can make mistakes. Don't think that mistake is there is a proverb: failure is the pillar of success. Failure is the pillar of success. So mistake is the pillar of your learning. Don't bother about that. You can make mistakes. So you will have to make a pair with a person who can be expert more than you, or who can be less expert than you, who can expert like you. But you need to make a pair, and you need to start speaking. If you don't start any work, you cannot say that you want to start, or you will do any work. If anybody doesn't start any work, that work cannot be done anymore. So you must start speaking English from today. If you watch this video lesson now, please start from today with using some words like I eat rice, I take food, I drink tea, I drink water, or please come here, give me a pen, give me a glass of water. Just you can start with your family members also. You can say your mother, please give me a glass of water. Your mother may not understand your speech, but this speech will remove the hesitation of your voice. Most of the people, or most of the students, cannot speak English because they feel hesitation that they will make mistakes and people will laugh at them. That is the main point of our failure of speaking English or learning English. So today I have told you some points. First point is you need to have determination. Second one is you need to increase your vocabulary. Third one is you need to make a pair, or you need to make a friend. And fourth one is you need to start speaking. If you think that you will start riding bicycle after learning from your book, or after completing your learning, you will never be able to ride bicycle. But with your learning, you must practice, and if you start speaking, that is called practice. Without practicing, you cannot learn anything. You cannot learn English language or any other language. If you want to go to any Middle East countries, you must learn Arabic language. If you want to go to South Africa, South Korea, or North Korea, North Korea is not permitted. South Korea, you must learn the Korean language. If you want to go to China, you must learn Chinese language. But if you cannot start speaking, this language will never be in your memory. So you must keep in memory 4 points. That first one is determination, second one is increasing vocabularies, third one is making pair or friend, and fourth one is start practicing.